this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is from Japan. This is Maruchan Wantanmen. Wantanmen. So basically that just means, think of wonton soup, those little dumplings that you get, and that's what these are. This is the soup base, and you get a nice block of noodles. That goes in, all this good stuff goes in, and it goes for 3 minutes, and then you wait. Gotta be patient. Can't be impatient when this stuff's going on, I'm telling you. Make sure everything's well submerged. And yeah, it is Wednesday, the 20th day of September, year of our ramen 2023, and here we are, yet again. What's going on? Went out and had a lovely walk with my beautiful wife, and we walked around a little bit, came back, had our I used to eat oatmeal and peanut butter all the frickin' live long day, and now it's oatmeal and banana. It's an enjoyable thing to have. We're both sick. We don't have the coronavirus, but yeah, it sucks. My eyes, my nose, my throat, muscle aches, body aches, all that good stuff. I was like, give me a test. Negative. So, but it doesn't fail. This is probably the first of 3, 4, maybe even 5 sicknesses that we have to deal with, because we have wee children that go to school, you see, and it never freaking fails. This time of year, after they've been back to school, ooh, a delivery. They go back to school, I don't know, they're all booger picking window lickers, and they commiserate with their peer group, and they bring home all sorts of sickness. And that's what we get for having children. So, if you do not like getting ill, I remember one time on the bus, I go to get my daughter off the bus, and the bus driver's like, hey, so I had to like tell Mimi, I had to kind of discipline her a little bit. I'm like, uh-oh, what was she doing? Well, she was licking the window. I'm like, it's not, booger picking window licker isn't supposed to be a literal thing, but apparently, you know, I don't think she licks the windows anymore. I like to think that. I'm probably jaded, but we'll see. But yeah, we got sick. So, but when you think about it, it starts getting cooler. It really hasn't yet, but it starts to get cooler. They're all hanging out on these school buses that are like, you know, closed up, sneezing, coughing, doing whatever, wiping boogers on everything, and spreads around the James and gets all gross. We reap the benefits of that. Alright, so here, let's have a nice up close and personal with this bowl of steeped Wantanmen. It's just ramen with wonton. I don't know, what this came out of was called a Zen Pop triple box. First one I've ever gotten. I've been getting Zen Pop boxes since 2018, I believe. Yeah, it's like the 5th year that I've been doing this. It's great. They have a good product and put neat stuff in their boxes, and I appreciate getting them for free. highly recommend if you want to try just Japanese varieties. This is a really good route. But yeah, they're hit and miss. Some of them I like, some of them I really don't like. But looks like a thinner noodle. There's naritamaki. A large piece of naritamaki. That's pretty good too. You don't usually see these larger pieces. Yeah, nice. And I will do one of the wonton. So there they are. Looks well hydrated. Could be wrong. Good. Let's do a hit of the broth. And we'll start to garnish. That's good. A nice savory, salty shoyu. Little bits of pork mince throughout. I'm impressed with that one. Since this one came out of that triple box, like I was saying, and it didn't come with any provenance or any paperwork telling you like the translation or anything. So I had to dig around, and one word that I kept seeing on the things that I found for this one by searching the barcode on Google was Google kept trying to translate it as usual. So I don't understand what that was referring to, but it was just like, you know, I think this is like their basic variety. Google does a really crappy job of dealing with stuff that uses characters, like Korean. Their text is called Hangul, and that stuff does not do well with Google. Man, I forgot that this had a lot of naritamaki on its own, because I dehydrated already. I softened up some frozen naritamaki, and now I've got that piece. I'm just going to throw it back in the freezer because it's got its own. So I'm just going to use that. Maybe I could do better with the comb over on this. Yeah. Like that. Here is a slice of chashu. Okay, and then we're gonna do some blowtorch action on the chashu. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We're gonna go with an egg. Egg. Need to do new eggs. Very marinated egg. Looks nice though. Now you just stay on that blade as you should, and we won't have any arguments. Alright, egg. You went in backwards. Yeah, that's gonna be how it's gonna have to be. Got some mung bean sprouts. And we're gonna dump in some spring onion. A little bit of seed. got a notification that a package has arrived. I'm trying to balance out the artwork on the walls in our home, and we're Giants fans. Not that football crap, but the actual sport, the baseball. I don't care about what you think. And yeah, so we got a new Giants poster. Season's almost done. We didn't do that great. What do you mean we? Were you playing? No, I wasn't playing, but you know. Yeah, I used to be a Mariners fan. And then I met my beautiful wife and she wizened me up. And then we won, on the even years, we won 3 World Series. So, yeah. Not that one. Not that one. Here we go. Wantanmen. Alright, thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is another one of these porridges. This was sent by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks again, buddy. This is Pamana with their Jinatang Mango. It's a mung bean sprout or a mung bean porridge with coconut milk. So I'm thinking it's going to be sweet, kind of a breakfasty thing. So, yeah, we'll check it out. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.